Steve Jobs once said, design is how it works. So let's see how the new iPhone 7 Pro actually works, starting of course with the box. Here it is, the iPhone 17 Pro box in that vibrant cosmic orange. By the way, the color option for this year's lineup are, well, as per Apple's event, the refined silver, an elegant deep blue, and the eye-catching cosmic orange. The packaging feels every bit as premium as you expect. A textured finish with an embossed iPhone picture up front. Also, the first thing you will notice this year is the orange theme right on the box. The Apple logo and the name are both finished in a vibrant orange, matching the new color option. It's a bold look and definitely stands out from previous years. So even before you open the box, you know you are getting something special, which cannot be scratched easily. Alright, so it is that time. Let's flip off that lid. You still get that signature Apple pull. It's subtle but oddly satisfying. Alright, let's try to get this iPhone out of the box. Alright, so I finally got my hands on the iPhone 17 Pro. And yeah, it's gorgeous. But we will get back to it. For now, let's keep the iPhone aside for a second because was a king without its royal accessories, right? So let's jump right into it. The first thing you will notice is the USB-C cable. Let's pull it out. It's the same braided cable, tougher, cleaner, and not scared of any bends. I think it's 1 meter long, which means it's great for your desk or car setup, but still just short enough to stop you from doom scrolling in bed while charging. Basically, it's a small upgrade that feels like a big relief. Of course, there's no charging adapter. At this point, Apple expect everyone to have one or buy one. Alright, under the cable we have got the legendary Apple paperwork, or should I say, the last few sheets standing. Basically, it's two tiny sheets nobody ever needs. That's it. No manuals thick enough to build a fort. Apple's like, you already know what you are doing. Yeah, nobody cares. Alright, it's time for the main event. This is what we have all been waiting for. The one and only Apple's new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, let's first peel off this plastic. My first impression is this thing feels seriously dense, more substantial than older Pro Max models. It is heavy, but not awkward. The balance has definitely improved thanks to aluminum unibody design. Alright, it's time to power it up. Press and hold the power button and you get that iconic Apple boot up. The display really grabs your attention. It's a massive 6.9-inch OLED with peak brightness of 3000 nits. Seriously the brightest Apple's ever done. Everything looks ultra vivid. This time Apple said they have included the new Ceramic Shield Plus for improved durability and drop resistance. The camera bump is still prominent, but it's much more integrated into the frame. When you set it on a table, that annoying wobble is way less noticeable than last year. Here's a quick comparison with iPhone 14 Pro Max. The difference hits immediately, and I like this new design. Next to it, the iPhone 14 Pro suddenly feels kinda old school. Still beautiful, but you can tell Apple's been in the gym. Everything is more refined, tighter, and sleeker. So yeah, side by side, it definitely feels an upgrade. Got any questions or want a closer look at any part of the iPhone 17 Pro? Drop them in the comment section below and I will try to answer them. Thank you for watching TechXsense and I will catch you in the next one.